Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is your May love and work forecast for Libras. Yes, friends, if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Libra, this reading is for you. If you know a Libra, you can cross watch it for them, friends. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wens Tarot, like and share, friends. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot, friends. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com. Also, make sure to check out the May horoscope readings or pick a card readings. I have already started them. So the May pick a card readings, I have done quite a few of those, and in also Hindi Urdu, so you can check that out also, friends. Let's see, Libras. This is a general reading. It may or may not resonate. So let's see, Libras, how your month of May will be. I'm super excited. May is a big month for the world. Let's see, friends, how the May will be, the month of May, the theme of the month of May for Libras. Wow, strength. So this is definitely a very, very powerful month for you, Libras. This month, your focus is on improving your health, making things better in your, So Libras, this month is about, it's a very strong and powerful month for you, where you will be consolidating your future, your finances, and your relationships. And also, you will connect with your strengths, what makes you powerful, what makes you strong. You will be connecting with all those things this month, Libras. It's a very, very powerful month for you. And I also see you will be very successful at whatever you start. And look at that. The devil in reverse, almost in reverse. So I do feel that some of you might feel very busy this month, because you're obsessed about work, obsessed about perfection, obsessed about achieving some goals. So you're very, very workaholic, and also some of you are finding it tough to let go of a relationship or somebody, some bad habits. So Libras, I do feel like this is a month where if you are having a challenge right now, you're facing a challenge, you will find ways to overcome it in the month of May. So this is a wonderful month. Whatever you are struggling with right now, you will find ways to overcome it. You will find ways to heal it and even make it better. Also, I do see you are a workaholic perfectionist this month. You're very busy, and your focus is too much. Your focus, Libras, is intense, because a lot of planets will be in air signs. So your focus, because Sun will be in Gemini later on in the month in May, and Saturn and Mercury both will be moving in air signs. Retrograde in air signs, actually. So you will feel a lot, you will think a lot, you will be obsessive thinking, a lot of thinking. You will find solutions. You will also, somebody from the past will also be important. 10 of Swords, yes, you are coming out of an ending right now which you are struggling with. There is something you are struggling with right now, Libras. Maybe an ending, maybe there are difficulties, maybe there are financial challenges, health issues. You will recover from it, friends. You will recover, and you will recover in style. You will recover in grace. Look at that, the Fool. So definitely a very, very powerful new start is coming for you, Libras. And get ready, because this month is powerful for you. All major arcanas, 3 major arcanas, you can see 1, 2, and 3, and all of them are like a stair, like a staircase. So something is ending in your life, Libras, or is ending right now, or there are troubles, there are blocks, but you will come out of it famously. You will come out of it very strongly in the month of May. So let's see how your love life will be, Libras, in the month of May. Wow. A new relationship, I see that. Let's see. Wow. A Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person might be important to you this month, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person. Libras, their love life. Okay, see, I was thinking in Aquarius, so here is in Aquarius, the Lovers, the 2 of Swords. All right. Yeah, there are choices. There are a lot of choices coming for you, Libra. So get ready. You are the charming person. So I do feel that you are struggling right now to end a relationship or to. Even though if this relationship has ended, you still think of that person. You still miss that person. And you are kind of like you both are in the similar energy. You both kind of like each other. But. But I do feel this could be your twin flame or a very strong soulmate. Let's see how the first week of May will be. I feel in the first week of May, there is definitely someone coming back towards you, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I do feel that this is somebody who wants to work things out with you, who wants second chances with you, Libras, who want another chance because they keep stalking your social media. I see them working hard to be your partner or to win you back. I do see there will be offers of love, friendship, definitely some dates, some celebrations, birthday parties happening probably in the first week of May. So you are also busy at work, Libras. But love is coming, somebody is coming, a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, and they want to work things out with you, Libras. And it will be, they will come slowly. They will not they will not like, they will first say hi and then they will be like, yeah, see, let's go out, and then they will tell you, see, I want to come back into your life, you're so charming, Libras, I want you back. So you are like, what, seriously? So expect some surprises in the first week. In the second week, I definitely feel that the second week will be more emotional. You will feel more emotional. Other people will also be feeling more emotional about you. Like, this person from the past will act needy, or you will feel more drawn or towards their emotion. You will also want to take care of them emotionally. But the second week is also like a little dull because you are busy at work. You have a lot of burdens about, deadlines at work, and in your, maybe if you're a student, you have certain deadlines at studies. You have a lot of responsibilities in the second week, so your interest is not much in love, but still you will feel very emotionally attached with this person, who is coming from the past or who is your current lover. I do feel that second week is an emotional week for you. I also feel that you will feel like this relationship is very confusing. It is one day very nice and sweet, and the other day it's all spicy and not something you want to enjoy. It becomes a burden. So you kind of like, what is this relationship? It could be they are your twin flame. That's why you have this intense energies going on here. The third week, I do see that you will be thinking a lot. You'll be thinking a lot. There's a lot on your mind. I do see you might take advice from a parent, a father, a mother figure, or your person might take advice from another person, their father, their mother. I do see that this week, third week, you will have some confusions about taking some decisions. You will not understand, should you stay, should you give up. I also see some new people also trying to win you, Libra. So you are like, oh my god, there are people coming all around me. So what am I supposed to do? Also, your heart will say one thing, your head will say another thing in the third week. So it will be tough for you to decide what to do, Libras. I do see that in the third week, you might have to take advice of a spiritual person, like maybe my advice, like book a reading or book another psychic or astrology readings. I do see you binge watching tarot readings or pick a card readings, in the third week, because you need some information, you need some extra guidance, or your person could be watching these readings. So let's see the fourth week. Oh my god, there are lots of people, Libras, coming for you. Yes, I do see a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person coming towards you, trying to propose you. And you are like, everybody wants me, what's going on? So, definitely, two people are important for you, Libras. And I do see that in the final week, you will want to conclude or meet this person face to face. This seems like a long distance connection, or you guys are living in different city or countries. But in the fourth week, some plans to meet, to socialize, to finalize, to end, to start, that will be made. I also feel that You will try to keep both your relationships cordial. You don't want to hurt anybody, Libras, because you are in such a powerful energy. You are attracting a lot of people. Everybody wants you. But you also understand, Libras, that you can't hurt anybody. So you will try to take care in your decisions not to hurt anybody. So you will try to be friends with both of the people, or you will try to avoid love this month. So there are a lot of choices for you, Libras, but I do see that there is a relationship which is quite strong for you, and they are your current lover or somebody you had been in the past, and there are some issues, but you can work it out this month. You can work it out. Also, new choices are also coming, so you are spoiled, Libras. You are spoiled for choices. So let's see your work and career and some advice for your love life. Libras, okay, that was a quick advice. Memories of love, so definitely you're missing somebody, you are obsessed about them. This person is coming back for you, Libras. I feel like you're very nostalgic about this person. They love you, you love them. There will be a time of a very high, you will feel very high about this return of this person. Patience, yes. Things are moving forward in your love life, but it will need some patience because you are working on the foundations, Libras. So, you have to make the foundation strong for a very strong building, a relationship. The foundations are being worked upon. Oh my God, telepathy, crown chakra. So, this is the month of, telepathy. Listen to your telepathy, listen to the messages coming your way, intuitive messages, Libras. And look at that 7 and 14, that's 7, 7, 14, double, the energy 777. That's beautiful. Listen to your intuition, listen to the signs you are getting, and act accordingly. Don't just listen to your head, Libras, and the universe, the world again. So, I do feel, friends, all your relationships have a very large theme, a big theme. All your relationships are getting solidified. You are working on the foundation, so give yourself some time and listen to your intuition and heart rather than the mind. Now, let's look at your career, Libras. Libras, their career, how it will be. Okay, conflict and defeat. Yeah, I do feel you're obsessed about your career. Look at that, passions ignited. And the shadow, again, the same card, the shadow 18. Victory and success. So let's see. So, yeah, I do feel like right now you're working too much and you're feeling like, my God, when will this work? And it's a never ending deadlines, and you feel a bit defeated because, things are not going right now as you have planned, or things are delaying in your work, in your career. You're tired of these delays, you're tired of these cancellations, postponements, postpones. Uh, how do you say this word? Postpones, no, things getting postponed, deals getting postponed, exams getting postponed, cancelled. So you are like, when? I'm tired. So, right now, that is the energy. I also feel that this energy will shift in May for you. You will find more relief at your work, and you will find more structure and a routine in your work. And I also feel some extra baggage or some burdens at your work. You will have to let them go. Some extra worries. You are worrying too much, like you are obsessed about perfection, Libras. But you have to remember, life has an inherent perfection. Also, you're very ambitious, Libras, in the month of May. So, you will be starting something, learning something, and you will be extra passionate about it. So, your passions are high. If you are starting a new business, you'll completely be over the moon about it, and you might even become obsessed about it. You might even miss out on, make some risks, take some risk in it, which might not go well because your intuition is telling you, hey, how much excitement, where is the limit? So do things in limit. How much ambition, you know you all the planets in your chart, Libras, this month are very powerful, and you are destined for success, but only if you work in balance. If you are working out of balance, then you will not have your victory and success. Instead, you will have fear, you will have control, you will have burdens, you will have like working all night, anxiety, depressions, all those kind of things. So balance yourself out. Enjoy this extra time of passion, extra time of passion, ignition, some new starts. Some of you could be joining a new work, some of you could be starting a new online course, a new business, learning about businesses or something like that, management. But you will be successful, you will be successful. But remember to be in balance, because otherwise things can go very bad, in the sense like you can get tired physically, mentally, and you can also have like you put all your money and then you have a money loss. So don't do that, don't do that, Libras. Okay, that's a lot of cards coming out. I'll take the ones which are face up. So don't be greedy, that's what I want to say, because you are working on the foundation. So you have to make sure that everything is strong and not weak. Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. Yes, that's definitely there. Older woman, a mother, or someone in the family might be important. Women in the family. Good advice from a wise person. I told you, you will take some advice in the third week. You will definitely buy a reading or watch more readings. And my God, I don't like the cards are getting ripped. Secret admirer, like those torn jeans, which are, distressed jeans, which have those cuts and all, everything. The cards have started to rip also, like those jeans. Okay, that's a style statement, but I protect my cards. Secret admirer, so somebody likes you, they are coming for you, vacation. Some of you might go on a holiday, a older man. So mother and father might be important, or someone else's mother and father are important. Family wish is coming true. Yes, family is important. Wealth is coming for you. Temporary situations, your problems are temporary, so don't worry. Peacock, be aware of great pride. Yes, don't be too overtly ambitious. Pig, be aware of greed, don't be so greedy. Spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness, and understanding. Yes, be balanced. Work in balance with intuition and body, soul, mind balance. October might be important. Some of you could be born, someone born in October could be important. So that's it for now, Libra. Subscribe, like, and share Magic Wednesday. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.